In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust columns in QuickBooks Online Advanced reports. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the way information is grouped across your report, so you can compare by customer, by product and service, or by time periods like weeks or months. First, open QuickBooks Online Advanced and move your cursor to the left navigation. Hover over Reports to bring the Report Center into focus. This is your home base for all built-in and custom reports. If you're using a trackpad or a compact mouse, a gentle hover is enough to reveal the options. No need to click just yet. Next, go into the Standard Reports section. Standard Reports are the ready-made templates that come with QuickBooks. They're great starting points because they already include the columns and calculations most businesses use, and they respond well to quick display changes. From here, open the balance sheet. This report is a solid example because it lays out your assets, liabilities, and equity, and it's a common place where you might want to compare columns over customers, products and services, or specific timeframes to spot trends and variances. Once the balance sheet loads, look toward the toolbar and settings area at the top of the report. Find the control labeled Display Columns By. Think of this as the switch that tells QuickBooks how to break out the information across the page. Instead of one total column, you can see side-by-side columns for different segments. Open the Display Columns By menu and choose what you want to compare. Select Customers to see your balances distributed by each customer. This is helpful if you want to understand exposure or balances tied to particular clients. Choose Products and Services to split columns by the items you sell, which is useful for seeing how certain offerings contribute to your position. Or pick weeks or months to turn the report into a time-based comparison, letting you scan for movement and seasonality across consistent periods. As soon as you make a selection, the report refreshes and the columns update automatically. If you end up with more columns than fit on your screen, scroll horizontally to review everything clearly. Remember, changing Display Columns By doesn't alter your underlying data. It only changes how the results are grouped and shown. If you don't see a particular option in the menu, it may not be available for that specific report, which is normal. The balance sheet and many other standard reports support these views, and the menu will always show what's compatible. That's it. Hover over Reports, open Standard Reports, choose Balance Sheet. Balance Sheet, locate Display Columns By, and select Customers, Products and Services, Weeks or Months to view the comparison you need.